When you think of an iconic supercar from the 70s and 80s, think of the car that will be on everybody's wall on a poster, or maybe think of the car that was in the Cannonball Run. Do you know the one I'm talking about? It happens to be this one. This is the Lamborghini Countach. There was around 2,000 of these built between the mid-70s all the way to the 90s. The Lamborghini Countach was the first of the Lamborghinis to have the signature scissor doors. Storage in the Lamborghini Countach is minimal. You've got this to put your cigarettes in for those who smoked, and you've got this, which doesn't really fit too much, probably just your sunglasses, but also it reveals where the electric seat buttons are. But Lamborghini did make some room for some storage at the rear of the vehicle. And underneath the front of this car is something that no modern Lamborghinis have. And that is a spare wheel. And the power plant of this vehicle is hiding underneath a carbon fibre rear hood. And here it is, the Lamborghini V12. It may now not be the fastest supercar of all the Lamborghinis, but at least it has the reputation of being the most iconic and original.
You know, Marcy, we've got this routine down.
Yeah, I think we're ready for the cannonball.
Oh, yeah, I think so. How far is Redondo Beach?
150 miles.
An hour flat.
What are we waiting for? Let's go!